Scuba doesn't like it that I'm paranoid of the shrubbery. I don't want it to scratch the car. Diamond Trail Shock Pro Flick Lock. I'm gonna put it at 115. 2 latches. 1, 2, 115, 115. We got a little bit of shock here. Beep boop, beep boop. It's good because you get a lot of downward pressure, but I have never really used poles on hikes before, so I wanted to test them out and see what these bad boys are like. Steep hills. Steep hills. 17!
See that white thing where the slide comes down? Mm-hmm. We're going to the top of that thing, and you can see Baker that way.
It is hot. But look at this place. Fucking gorgeous.
My reviews, my mediocre reviews on this. I would say overall good. I like the shock on these things actually. Beep boop, beep boop. I've never used sticks before, so this worked out pretty good because I don't like the feeling of being all slippery in the snow. Nobody else uses them, but I feel like it's a better distribution. And look at the size of this thing. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Everyone's judging me on my stick usage, trying to offer my stick. Nobody wants a stick. Some of the other styles of them, the clips don't work so well and they kind of pop out while you're moving, but these ones are pretty reliable. And that's at least what I read before I got them. Black Diamond Shock Pro, or hold on, Trail Shock Pro Flick Lock. I like it.